students, today we are going to study Science and Technology part first. In this video, we are studied about periodic classification of elements. तर चॅप्टर 2 periodic classification of elements या चॅप्टरची आपण क्विक रिव्हिजन या व्हिडिओमध्ये करणार आहोत. व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत पहा म्हणजे सर्व प्रकारच्या प्रश्नांची उत्तरे तुम्हाला देता येतील. Question first A. Write the names from the description. First question, the period with electrons in the shells K, L and M. Third period K, L, M तीन शेलमध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन आहेत म्हणजेच तो थर्ड पिरियड आहे. The group with valency 0, group 18. The family of non-metals having valency 1 is halogen family. The family of metals having valency 2 is group 2. The metalloids in the second and third period, boron and silicon. Next question, the family of metals having valency 1 is group first or group 1. Non-metals in the third period, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine. Phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon are the non-metals belongs to period 3. Two elements having valency 4 are carbon and silicon. First three noble gases, helium, neon and argon are the first three noble gases. Question first B. Name the following. Horizontal rows in the modern periodic table are known as periods. Second question, two elements having a single electron in their outermost shell, hydrogen, sodium. Three elements with filled outermost shell, helium, neon, argon. Three elements having 7 electrons in their outermost shell, fluorine, chlorine, bromine. These are halogens and its outermost shell contains 7 electrons. An alkali metal in the period 2 is lithium. Lithium is an alkali metal belongs to period 2. Next question, an alkaline earth metal in the period 3 is magnesium. Halogen in the period 3 is chlorine. Three non-metallic elements in the period 2, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine are the non-metallic elements belongs to period 2. The elements with electronic configuration 2,7 is fluorine. Its atomic number is 9. That's why its electronic configuration is 2,7. The elements in periods 2 and 3 having stable electronic configuration, neon and argon. The three metals in the third period of the modern periodic table, sodium, magnesium and aluminium are the three metals in the third period of the modern periodic table. Question second A. Write the name and symbol of the element from the description. त्या ठिकाणी डिस्क्रिप्शन वरून आपल्याला एलिमेंटचं नेम आणि सिम्बॉल लिहायचा आहे. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the atom having the smallest size is hydrogen, its symbol is H. The atom having the smallest atomic mass is also hydrogen and its symbol H. The most electronegative atom is fluorine, its symbol is F. The noble gas with smallest atomic nucleus is helium, its symbol is He. The most reactive non-metal is fluorine and its symbol is F. Question 2b. An element has its electronic configuration as 282. Now answer the following questions. तर एलिमेंटचं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन दिलेलं आहे 282. आपल्याला त्यावरून खालील प्रश्नांची आन्सर्स लिहायची आहेत. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हॉट इज द ॲटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ धिस इलेमेंट. आता पहा ॲटॉमिक नंबर माहीत असेल तर आपण इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन लिहितो. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशनची ॲडिशन केली तर आपल्याला ॲटॉमिक नंबर मिळतो. 2 + 8 10, 10 + 2 12 means atomic number of this element is 12. What is the group of this element? Its outermost orbit contains 2 electrons means the group of this element is 2. To which period does this element belongs? Electronic configuration contains 3 shells means this element belongs to period 3. With which of the following elements would this element resembles? Atomic numbers are given in brackets. Nitrogen 7, beryllium 4, argon 18 and chlorine 17. आता यांचं जर आपण इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन पाहिलं तर नायट्रोजनचं येईल 2 5, बेरिलियम 2 2, आर्गॉन 2 8 8 and chlorine 2 8 7. Electronic configuration of beryllium is 2 2 means outermost orbit contains 2 electrons means this element resembles beryllium. Its atomic number is 4. Question 3a. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. आपल्याला एका सेंटेन्समध्ये आन्सर लिहायचे आहेत. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, who was the first scientist to prepare the periodic table? मेंडेलिव्ह was the first scientist to prepare the periodic table. तर पहिल्यांदा पिरियॉडिक टेबल मेंडेलिव्ह या शास्त्रज्ञाने तयार केलेले आहे. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, स्टेट द नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स अँड पिरियड्स इन द मॉडर्न पिरियॉडिक टेबल. मॉडर्न पिरियॉडिक टेबल इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज मोझलेस पिरियॉडिक टेबल. इट कंटेन्स 18 groups and 7 periods. How many elements are there in the second and third periods of the periodic table? There are 8 elements in the second and third period of the periodic table. State the number of elements in the shortest period. The shortest period is first period, and first period contains 2 elements means there are 2 elements in the shortest period means first period. State the number of elements in the modern periodic table. There are 118 elements in the modern periodic table. Next question, which column is known as zero group in the modern periodic table? The last column, that is 18th column on the right side of the modern periodic table, is known as the zero group in the modern periodic table. Next question is, which group elements have 7 electrons in the outermost shell? Group 17, that means halogens. Group 17 elements have 7 electrons in their outermost shell. Next question is, how many electrons are there in the outermost shell of group 2 elements? There are 2 electrons in the outermost shell of group 2 elements because outermost shell electrons denotes the group number. How many electrons are there in the outermost shell of group 18 elements? There are 8 electrons in the outermost shell of group 18 elements except helium. Its atomic number is 2 and its outermost orbit contains also 2 electrons. Next question, which block of the modern periodic table separates metals and non-metals with the help of zigzag line? P block of the modern periodic table separates metals and non-metals with the help of zigzag line. Next question is, name an alkali metal in the second period. Lithium is an alkali metal in the second period. Name the halogen in the second period. Fluorine is the halogen, belongs to second period. Name a metalloid in the third period. Silicon is a metalloid. It belongs to third period. Next question is, name the group to which sodium or lithium belongs. Sodium and lithium belongs to group first A of the modern periodic table. Name the group to which magnesium and calcium belongs. Magnesium and calcium belongs to group second A of the modern periodic table. Name the group to which the most reactive metals belongs. The most reactive metals belongs to group first A. Means alkali metals are most reactive metals, and they belongs to group first A. Name the element having one shell and one valence electron. Hydrogen is an element, has one shell and one valence electron because its atomic number is also 1. How many valence electrons are there in the outermost shell of silicon? There are 4 valence electrons present in the outermost shell of silicon. State the electronic configuration of nitrogen and phosphorus. Electronic configuration of nitrogen is 2,5. Its atomic number is 7, means electronic configuration is 2,5. And atomic number of phosphorus is 15. Therefore, electronic configuration of phosphorus is 2,8,5. Next question, name the group containing highly reactive nonmetals only. Group 17 contains highly reactive nonmetals, namely fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. These are halogens. Its outermost orbit contains 7 electrons and they are highly reactive nonmetals. Name the last 3 elements of the second period in increasing order of atomic number. The last 3 elements of the second period in increasing order of atomic numbers are oxygen, fluorine and neon. These are the 3 elements with an increasing order of atomic number belongs to second period. Name the 3 nonmetals in the second period of the modern periodic table. The 3 nonmetals in the second period of the modern periodic table are nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. Nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine are the 3 nonmetals in the second period of the modern periodic table. Question 3a. Answer the following questions. Question 3b. Answer the following questions. State Dobereiner's law of triads giving one example. Dobereiner made group of 3 elements each having similar chemical properties and called as them triads. Then law of Dobereiner's triads. Dobereiner arranged the 3 elements in a triad in an increasing order of atomic mass and showed that the atomic mass of middle element was approximately equal to the mean of the atomic masses of other 2 elements. For example, lithium, sodium, potassium is the triad of is a Dobereiner's triad. Lithium, sodium and potassium is a Dobereiner triad. Second, state Mendeleev's periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic masses. काय लॉ आहे पहा मेंडेलिव्हचा? The physical and chemical properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic masses. Next question is, state the modern periodic law. The chemical and physical properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic numbers. Mendeleev's periodic law is based on atomic masses, but modern periodic law is based on atomic numbers. Therefore, modern periodic law is the chemical and physical properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic numbers. Next question, state Newland's law of octaves. When the elements are arranged in an increasing order of their atomic masses, the properties of the 8th element are similar to those of the first. काय पहा न्यूलँडचा लॉ? When the elements are arranged in an increasing order of their atomic masses, the properties of the 8th element are similar to those of the first. Its example is sodium. Sodium is the 8th element from lithium and both of them have similar properties. means sodium and lithium is the example of Newland's law of octave. Do like and share this video. Thank you.